We live in an era of artificial intelligence. So ChatGPT, artificial intelligence, is doing everything for students, for professors, for lecturers, for teachers right now. So you can use ChatGPT to write your personal statement of purpose, cover letter, anything you feel like writing. I've tried it and it really worked. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to write your personal statement of purpose, cover letter with ChatGPT. First, what you need to do is to open an account. Already I have an account. You open an account with ChatGPT. You can just type anything. You type anything, just watch my screen. You see how I'm typing it. Write a cover letter for anything. You ask ChatGPT, write a personal statement. You just feed in the question. ChatGPT will provide you with the answer. You can just make your selections. I mean, this ChatGPT have passed a lot of exams. He have been used to write so many exams in UK, and ChatGPT passed. So, and it doesn't use plagiarism. ChatGPT doesn't use plagiarism. So I think it's the best for you, because I know how difficult it is to write statement of purpose, personal statement. Sometimes it could take you 2 to 3 months to write personal statement of purpose, cover letters. You write again, you get a lot of reviewers. But ChatGPT will do the wonders for you. You don't have to pay money. You don't have to pay money for someone to write it for you. You are going to even do it yourself. You just need to feed the right question to ChatGPT bot, and the whole thing will be given back to you. Just watch it.